Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Mike Lovins, stepping in for Matt Bruning this week.
And I'm Erin Frizz. This past weekend, we received a lot of rain. Some parts of Ohio picked up nearly 7 inches of rain from the remnants of Tropical Storm Gordon.
More than 24 roads and highways were impacted by flooding, mostly in southern and eastern Ohio. This image from Pike County Sheriff's Office shows a van nearly wholly submerged on State Route 124. We also noticed a lot of people driving around barricades and ignoring road closed signs. Boo! Those signs are there to keep you safe. Please obey them and never drive through high water.
Last year, we began a pilot program to use variable speed limits on I-90 in Lake County during blinding lake-effect snow squalls. Over a 10-year span, more than 800 winter crashes were recorded along the corridor, including a massive 50-vehicle pileup in 2016. The idea behind this concept is to get drivers to slow down and safely drive for the conditions of the road. This year, drivers will notice the temporary signs are being replaced with permanent ones. We've added additional digital message boards and traffic cameras on ogo.com so you can monitor all the conditions.
Do you know where a great place to camp is? The Ohio State Parks.
Yeah!
You know where isn't? The left lane.
No.
Slow left lane drivers are a pet peeve for many people on the road. But not only is slow left lane driving annoying, but can also be dangerous. For example, if you're going 5 miles slower than everyone else and you're traveling in the left lane, other drivers are more likely to make dangerous moves trying to pass you on the right. This hazardous maneuvering is more likely to result in a crash. Ohio has recorded 743 traffic deaths so far in 2018. So this week, you will see this message on over 130 freeway message boards in Ohio.
Speaking of freeway message boards, we are expanding our signs to a brand new part of the state. Our Who Knew Guru has more.
Sign, everywhere a sign. We're standing on US 50 West going into Athens, and right behind me is the first ever digital message board in Southeast Ohio. It's going to make communicating to the traveling public easier and safer. Let's go talk to Scott and Josh about all the benefits.
Yes, Dave, this is one of 4 boards that are being placed in Athens County, 2 which are on State Route 50 and 2 which are on State Route 33. We'll be able to display detour information, traffic information, along with amber alerts and safety messages that may come across.
And you can find all the information on the OGO app or at ogo.com. And now here's Ronnie, the inspector on the project.
Yes, I had the privilege of being an inspector for the message board. The dynamic message board is approximately 8 by 15. It is ITS infrastructure to make the highways in southeastern Ohio safer.
So basically, these boards make it safer to travel throughout southeastern Ohio. Who knew?
Get more ODOT news at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media, and we always love seeing your story ideas and feedback at loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And keep sending great videos just like this from the Ohio Northern Public Relations Student Society of America.
From Ohio Northern